Hi guys, I am Viva, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the recipe for this delicious dessert. It's no bake, very few ingredients, and you can put it together in only few minutes. Perfect for the summer, fresh fruits. Let's go! These are all the products I'm going to need for this very simple, easy and delicious dessert. 24 ounces of cottage cheese, this is exactly one container, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sour cream, vanilla, this is by choice, if you like you use vanilla, if you don't, you do not have to use vanilla, 4 packs of gelatin, half cup of water, this is for the gelatin, coconut flakes, and I have strawberries and raspberries. I'm gonna use mix of both, but any fresh fruits you have, it's gonna work great. My coconut flakes are too big. I don't like them this big, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place them in my food processor and chop them a little. I want them a little tiny little bit pieces. And I'm gonna do the same with my cottage cheese. Let me show you the cottage cheese I'm using. This is the cottage cheese. It's small curd, 4% fat. I am going to use my food processor to remove the lumps from the cottage cheese. However, you don't have to do that. And you can see I used a cheesecloth to drain the cottage cheese a little bit from the extra liquid. Before we move forward, I'll put the gelatin in the water and put it on the side. Got the cottage cheese here. I'll add the sugar and the sour cream. And I will add the vanilla. I'll mix by hand just to incorporate, and then I will use my hand mixer. I'll cut the strawberries in tiny slices. That's enough. The gelatin is ready. When you use the microwave, Always do about 10 seconds and then take it out and mix well. Don't ever let the gelatin go to boil. And I'm adding this to my mix. And we'll mix everything very well now. And that's it. And that's all we need to do. This is all done. I'll just put it on the side and get ready to put my dessert together. I laid down a plastic wrap on the table and I'll use my coconut flakes and I'll spread them on thin layer. And now start adding the mix. Spread like that. Add your fruits as you wish. Arrange them as you wish. Just keep them in the middle. Just try to spread them kind of evenly. And we have to fold like that. And then from this side, put together tight. Like that, and here Twist on the corners tight. And that's it. The dessert is ready. Now we need to place this in the refrigerator for about 2-3 hours. And guys, there is the cake, the dessert. Now all I have left is to gently remove the plastic. There it is. And I run the left of my coconut flakes through my food processor again to get them really fine. And I'll just sprinkle on the top. Look how beautiful white looks. It's amazing. I call it Snow White. I have prepared 2 strawberries. You can see they look cute. Now place them like that and press down. And one I'll put that way. I will show you just in a moment how I do that, just in case you would like to try it. It's very easy. Just take your time and adjust them nicely. Let me show you how I cut them. I cut in half, and then this half I would slice very closely on thin slices. I'm not going to the end. Just like that. And then you slightly start moving like that and pressing down. See the way it is, the one way or the other. Press, and let's make the other one, and the other half the same way. Very close, very tiny slices, as thin as you can get them. And now I'll twist the other way, like that. And see, this is how easy it is. And now add the last one like that, and just to make it more presentable, there it is. There it is, guys. Look how it looks. Isn't that beautiful? Let's try it. It is so rich. You feel the coconut, you feel the vanilla. As you see, I put more vanilla because I love it. And the texture is absolutely amazing. It's so soft and it's kind of melting in your mouth. That thing is delicious. And let me try now with the strawberry. I'll get me some fruit with that. I will finish this. It's absolutely delicious, guys. You have to try it. If you love cottage cheese, sour cream, and that combination with fruits, I swear by this cake, you're gonna love it. If you like this video, guys, give me the thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!